is so cool, isn't it?
It is pretty neat until you see your expensive ass tires on fire, and it's not so cool.
Hey, you chose it, man. I was scared when I first saw my tire on fire.
Yeah, I started smelling that rubber, and I'm like, man, it's like burning money.
I'm on mouth this time, okay? Oh, last time I forgot.
Make sure that thing is out.
What thing? Did you look at it?
The cap, I think I took it out. It was about 2 beers ago. I like that little trail. Pretty neat.
It's in your mouth, honey. Woo! Spray, Jerry, come on, spray. On the ground. On the ground.
All right, look at that. Look at that. That ain't no volunteer fire department either.
No, we're paid. COO. Yeah. Oh, I hadn't got but one yet.